And so Michael, who's already led this squad a couple of times this year on distant road trips, he'll be leading them again today.
Well, she's a really big impact on this team. Plus a pep talk, but she taught us how to compete without her. We know how to do this, and we're stepping up in her role.
Let's see how they do. Junior at Stanford. A 9.75 for Christina Peterson. And now Kayla Bird. We'll see her in 3 lineups. Her scores have gotten progressively better each of her first 4 collegiate vaults. 9.75 last week.
Yurchenko layout full. Good controlled landing. She does have a Yurchenko tucked 1.5, which starts from they're not ready to put that in just yet. Something I notice here is those knees. They could be a little bit straighter, and I'd like to see her hips open a little more before that landing. She pikes it, which makes her have to hop on that landing.
Kayla Bird, the freshman from Chandler, Arizona. We'll also see her on bars in her Stanford career 2 years ago as a freshman. Now Kayla Bird. She had a 9.75 on vault. On bars, her 9.8 last week at Arizona was a season high here in her freshman year. Back-to-back hits after suffering a fall 3 weeks ago. She was 12th on bars at the 2019 Junior Olympic Nationals, so 12th in all-around. Pause here while they're still discussing.
Short, but other than that, there wasn't any major errors. Maybe for the pike down, maybe for the hop forward, but other than that, it shouldn't be that tough.
And what is this weight doing for Kayla Bird? It's like icing the cake.
She's a freshman, so it's
9.675 for Lowry. A bit lower than it looked, huh?
Yeah. Stalled her to handstand. Working on getting those feet together. Put big Tkachev.
A lot of air.
She's working postseason, so it's really good for the coaches to know she can hit despite having to wait a long time. Here's that Tkachev position. It's really high handstand position after the Tkachev.
9.825 for Christina Peterson. That is her high this year. Oregon State having a great meet. Now, we see Kayla Bird. 9.75 on ball, 9.8 on bars. Has done 2 floor routines here in her freshman season. 9.55 in the team's first meet. 9.775 last week. Looking to get better and better.
Front layout to Rudy. Almost looked like she could pull out a double out of that pass. Maybe they'll upgrade it in the future.
Freshman from Chandler, Arizona. Prospective speech pathology major.
Even though she's just a freshman, she's part of the leadership group. Coach is saying that even though she's a freshman, they've seen her step up as a leader, being vocal and leading by example.
There's a lot about her to step into that role here in her first year in college.
Good 2.5.
Ends with her teammates chanting OSU.